Hi everybody, so today I have a cooking video for you guys. It's going to be a steak and shrimp dinner. Right here I got a pack of 4 ribeye steaks and I'm just going to go ahead and take 2 and clean them off right now. So after I washed them, I went ahead and seasoned it with garlic, onion powder, carne asada seasoning, Cajun seasoning, a little bit of pepper. And as you can see on one of the steaks, I'm going to do the seasoning salt right here. And the other one, which that one is for my boyfriend, and the other one, I'm a little bitch. It's a salt-free seasoning because I'm trying to cut back as much salt as I can. So I went ahead and did that and seasoned both sides. I'm just going to put a little bit, well, some oil into the pan because I'm going to bake these. And I put these in the oven for an hour and 20 minutes for 350, 400 degrees, I think. So while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and start on my shrimp. And same with the seasonings, I'm going to do the same seasonings, and I'm going to then just do the seasoning salt. But half of it I'm going to be baking it, and half of the shrimp I'm going to put it on the stove because my boyfriend likes the shrimp taste on the stove a little bit better than the baking. So for the baking, it's for me, and I put some butter in the pan to go ahead and melt it. I could have already pre-melted it, but what the hell. But for the baking, shrimp is going to be in there for 10 minutes. So the last 10 minutes of the steak to be done, that's when I put it in. So by the time that the steak is done, the shrimp is done. And now onto the stove, I'm putting the rest of it on in the pan. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes each, well, not each side, but both sides all together for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to do a side of some just steamed or stove pot, whatever the hell you want to call it, spinach. I went ahead and put some oil in it, and I put some garlic in it. And I am using the baby spinach, and I went ahead and washed them. So after I washed them, I'm going to go ahead and now put them in the pot. Go ahead and steam that up, and then I was going to put just half of it, but I realized I needed a little bit more because I do simmer down, which, you know, they get smaller. So I went ahead and seasoned it with garlic, onion, no, not garlic, because there's already garlic in there, I forget. Well, a little bit of garlic, onion, and some seasoning salt. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix that all together. So now that the shrimp is done, I went ahead and put it on a different pot for it to cool off. Just finishing up the last minute of the spinach. I'll do either or, shrimp, baked or stovetop, but I really do personally think baked is better, but Terrence thinks otherwise. There's my little baby Nala. So now that the shrimp is now done, oh, that looks so good. And yeah, I'm just going to start putting it on the plates. So the steak, it was in for a little bit over an hour and 20 minutes. So I know that it now may look burnt, but it's not because the seasonings, and I did put it on broil for like the last 5 minutes. So don't worry if it may look like it's burnt, it's not, and whatever looks like it's not done, it's just fat. But this steak was really tender. It was really good. But that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy.